Quick Connectors Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global quick connectors market size is $11.9 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America quick connectors market size of $4.76 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe quick connectors market size of $3.57 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific quick connectors market size of $2.74 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America quick connectors market size of $0.60 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa quick connectors market size of $0.24 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.